Welcome to Visualizing and Understanding Statistics with Python. This is the first course in a larger Statistics with Python specialization. Each course is going to build upon the previous course, giving you a well-rounded view of what statistics is and the ability to practice what you're learning using Python. This course has 4 parts. In the first part, we're going to take a look at what is statistics and what is data. We'll think of statistics as a big tent discipline, having a variety of different perspectives. We're going to hear from a couple of colleagues. They're going to share their perspectives about statistics in real life. We'll see that data are everywhere, and there is a lot of cool stuff in data today. You'll have the opportunity to share where you use data in your life. On the programming side, we'll get an introduction to Jupyter Notebooks and some of the Python basics. In parts 2 and 3, we'll start seeing what we can do with our data, working with our data to summarizing things graphically and numerically. We'll move from the univariate to the multivariate summarization methods. So you're going to be working with a lot of different data sets. One of the data sets will be on some cartwheel data that we collected on our team members and colleagues. Yes, we were doing cartwheels at work. You're also going to be doing some writing and communicating, sharing with us some results about a pizza study. In part 4, we're going to start looking at how probability sampling and methods to allow us to use the data from just a sample to draw inference about our larger populations. Throughout the course, we'll give you opportunities to do some assessment of your learning. We'll give you some resources to be able to do some deeper dives into some of the topics. And we'll give you some hands-on experiences with some web applets and, of course, your Python tutorials. You're going to be hearing from a number of different members of our team. We are excited for you to start your statistics learning experience. So excited, in fact, I just may have to do a cartwheel to send you on your way.